Hey guys, how's it going? It's me, Richard Plunkett. I know it's been a long time since I've actually made a sort of blog type video, but I realized that a lot of people have been subscribing to this channel, so I thought, I've got to continue doing this. But if you've been watching my other channels, I would have been busy making videos for the Puppetdom Geek and also the gaming show live. So, I barely get time, nevertheless, to make those type of videos. So, I'll try. I know if you go back in some of my videos, you would see that I did say, hey, I'm back and blah, blah, blah. But, shit happens. Anyway, so I'm going to try to continue these type of videos. I know some of you guys like these. And plus, it gives a sort of a different intake on the Puppetdom Geek and the gaming show live type of style. Anyway, so I'm here in my garage, if you can see. It's a cold winter's day in Melbourne. Or not winter, it's actually autumn. But it's freezing, my hands are freezing. I don't have any gloves at all. None I can find, nevertheless. But yeah, so I just wanted to share this video. I got an arcade machine right there. As you can see now, it's actually on and working. I believe the guy I bought it from, it's from the 80s or something like that. Well, that's when this arcade machine was bought. So like I said before, most people wouldn't know what an arcade machine is, or at least, this generation. Like most of them would know, but haven't seen one, or, haven't really played those old type of games. And you can see, all original buttons. Some of these have been moved, but all working, nevertheless. That's where you can play 1, play 2. Earlier 3-button console, or 3-button arcade, I would say. But I'm looking at expanding this slot, to more out, so I can get like Street Fighter going on, so forth. Now you got a little coin slot there. I mean, it's none of those glowing ones, but I could change that later on, like a coin mech, something they call it. So I'm going to show you the inside of the arcade machine. So it's a bit dusty, not a bit dusty, it's a lot dusty. So as you can see there's inside, I can tell once I get it fixed and running, tell my mates, you've got to put a coin in to start the game. There. But so, if you look inside, usually up there, that's where the game board sits, and it just gets plugged into there. So everything's all working, you just need a game board. But saying that also, I think I'm going to change this into a Mame machine, just because it's easier to run a Mame machine rather than, actually buying separate game boards. So anyway, so if you're wondering what game used to run on this, it's actually Galaga. So some of you guys might know what Galaga is. Great game, loved it. Have it actually on my DS. But yeah, so let's take a look at the sticks. So that's from the top. As you can see there, it's not left and right. You got full rotation of the whole stick right there. All the buttons, all working. Obviously, some of them have been replaced. As you can see there, some of the boards, but everything seems to be in working order. And believe it or not, I paid nearly $30 for this. Amazingly, $30 for a working arcade machine. It's just incredible. So I'm not too sure. Like, I really want to do a Mame machine, but I don't know. I don't know if I should ruin the classic, arcade machine. You're basically like ripping everything out of it and putting something new. I mean, new in terms of that I could play, thousands of games, but Galaga. Play original Galaga on this, but it does need a bit of work. So I don't know. What do you guys think? Shall I rip it out and make a Mame machine, or keep everything original and just change it? I just realized here, obviously looks like this used to be a different board too. So if you look there, looks like this is new. And the inside of it, or at least the middle piece, it actually has the slots there. So physically I could just take that board out and still have everything running, but I'm not too sure. I'm not too sure what to do. I really want to make a Mame machine, because it's been one of my, not my dreams, but I've been looking at getting a Mame machine, or like making one, for a while now. But the thing was, building an arcade machine is just painless. You know, you gotta have the tools, you gotta know how to cut stuff, you gotta make all these things. Whereas I have everything now. I've got the body. So everything's in, you know, looks good. Just needs a good paint job. So I don't know. What do you guys think? You know, trying to think what to do. I could take everything apart, but keep everything intact, if you know what I mean. So then, you know, if I do want to put it back, I just have to put a board in and have a working order. I don't know. Or maybe get a game board and see if it works. How about that? Yeah, anyway, guys. It's me, Richie Plunkett, and I'll catch you guys later. I'm going to probably mess around with this or clean the garage if you saw me rotating how messy it is. But anyway, guys, yeah. See you guys later. It's good talking to you again.